Why? Why you still remain here? It's a long time, but until now I don't know your name.
Oh yes, Larissa
Are you?
Fumitaka.
May I know how you know this place, this cafe?
Oh, this is a very famous cafe in university.
University.
Yes, and I see always it's full of students. And I know some students from my faculty.
Which faculty?
Faculty of Languages and
Language.
Literacy.
This
Come
is
and eat.
professor from you. You're from which faculty?
Malaysia, Europe.
This is from Japan and this is from Russia. This is a husband and a wife. I know them long time ago since we start the business in 2015.
Yeah, 15.
They start regular customer. Since now, more than 10 years,
More
come
than 10
here.
years.
It's very loyal customer. So why you still remain here? Because of me? Because of the food? Or what?
Yeah, both is.
We like the food.
So you eat rendang.
Dendang,
Yes.
yeah,
this is
dendang.
Rendang and sayur, vegetables.
Actually,
Ayam.
our friend here, they try everything.
Oh yeah.
Whatever we cook here, they try.
Oh yeah, try.
So their taste is good. So that's why today they try rendang.
Oh, dendang.
Rendang spicy.
You like spicy?
I like spicy food. So
Your place is
yeah.
spicy food?
No, not
Different,
spicy,
different.
but I get used to Malaysian.
Which part of the Russia you are?
I'm from Moscow.
Moscow.
Yes.
You?
Japan, Fukuoka, south part of Japan.
So you can find this type of food in your country.
No.
No, it's different.
It's
Yeah, little different.
So it's very, very flavorful. It has nice balance
nice.
of spice.
you.
And spicy food also good for health.
Said this is very spicy, not good for health.
No, what I read is spicy food helps people to digest.
Yes.
Yeah, good for
It's
digestion.
also good for like if someone has blood pressure. A little bit spicy food is not bad.
Like here, Chinese people like this vegetable. You see, the Indian people, Pakistan people like the spicy food. But I know this China people also like spicy food. I don't know. Japan is like a spicy food.
Japanese don't eat
Not spicy. Oh.
But in your place, there is some balance.
We have a lot of
Choices.
every day we have more than 50 dishes. So you can choose. If you don't like the spicy, you take the not spicy. You like spicy like this today, you try. But I know you every day you change your menu. Because today, even you come here every day, the menu will be not be the same. Because you take this one, tomorrow we'll take another one. So that's why we cook here. So I think within these 10 years, what do you think? Because last time we have a small shop, very small. Remember? Now they have a 3 branch.
Yes. But I still remember my favorite dish. Like you have some ayam bakar, ikan bakar. Yes, and you still keep this star dish.
That's
This
why
is-
we can maintain the
Yes.
quality. Okay,
And
thank you.
also, your shop has a lot of vegetable
Yeah,
selection.
variety.
We cook more than 10 this vegetable.
Oh,
More than 10.
10.
So you have a selection. Today you want this, you take this. Another vegetable be the high price. But this is affordable price. Use your time and continue enjoy the food.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you very
thank
much
you.
for always